Let's roll this options position. So right now I'm looking at JEPQ, which is JP Morgan ETF, and I did sell a put on this earlier, so we can see that I did one contract. I received $70 to get into it, so I sold it earlier this month. It expires mid next month, and if I want to buy it back, I have to pay about $48 to buy it back. So I could either close it and forget about it, or close it and then open up a new one, or I can just roll it, which is a nice feature for these single leg positions. So with JEPQ, I actually do want to get into this stock, and that's why I sold a put on it at the, let's see, what was my strike here? My strike was at the $57, and the ETF is currently trading at $58 and some change. So obviously we're very close to the going to be at the money. We're pretty close to that. So if the current trading price of $58.54, if that dips below $57, I could be assigned on my position, and I'll be forced to buy it at $57 per share, which I'm totally okay with because I do actually want to own the stock. But right now, my position of selling that put is actually up, so I might as well take a little bit of profit now, roll it out to the next expiration date available. I'll probably just keep the same strike price at $57, and I'll be able to collect a little more premium while I wait to buy the stock. So that's my strategy there. I'll just keep rolling this out forever until I actually buy it. So we can click on trade, roll position, and to make it easy for you, that top part says you are going to buy to close the position. I sold a put, and I'm going to buy the put back. I sold it for around $70, and now I'm going to buy it back for around $48. And since we're rolling it, we need to select a new contract. So the old expiration, you can see it was mid-January. So now we're going to go to the very next expiration date, which is mid-February. And $58 might be a little close to that share price, and I think I can get away with just doing the $57 strike price. Doing the same thing, I'll click on that little plus sign to add that position. So now you can see that we're paying $48 to close it and receiving $100 to open up the next position. So we're rolling it out, and it gives you a nice little summary at the top. So net credit, we're making money, $52, and we're bumping it out about a month. So I click continue. We'll do one order. We'll have it good till canceled, and it suggests 53. So we're going to get $53. Maybe I'll bump it down to 52, because the lower you bump it down to the bid price, the more likely this will get filled. And if it's not filling, then we can always bump it down closer to the bid price over time. So click review, swipe up, and then now our order is placed, and we'll wait a bit to see if it executes. If not, we'll just bump down that limit price a little bit at a time until it actually executes. So that's how you roll out a stock, and also like an explanation of why you would want to do that. So we're just going to keep rolling that out on our position, and it'll continue to collect premium while we wait to buy the stock. So if you like this kind of content, please give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.